This is an Auto World 76 Cadillac Coupe Deville. Luxury cruisers. I like this. It's so detailed. I would like to keep it in the package, but I want to open it because I like it a lot. It even has the factory paint code there. That's pretty neat. Read that. This enormous vehicle weighed around 5,400 pounds, contributing to the smooth floating ride that many Cadillacs were known for. Isn't it beautiful? Such a great package, true 1/64 scale. My grandfather had one like this, but it was a nice blue-green color with a darker blue leather top. I'm going to open it. Do you mind? I have to. I've been looking at it for like a month. And my friend Jeff sent it to me from Oregon. But I have to open it because it's beautiful. I hope you like it like I like it. Packaged nicely. Like a double clamshell or something. Look at. Oh, here it comes. Come out this way now. Whoa. I would love to have a real car like that. In that condition. Here it is. Let's see. Man, that's beautiful. I just wanted to show it to you because I like it a lot. You can read that. That's like, oh, look at, oh, what a surprise. Man, that's nice. I had a 82, I had a 98 with a North Star, Coupe Devilles, and I had a 79. And my grandfather had 3 or 4 of them, different years. He had a 58, a 63, a 69, and 82, my grandfather. I might have that 71 Plymouth Sport Fury too. Man, these are really nice. Ultra red variations. Oh, hi there. Don't look at me. I'm just learning how to work the phone. Ultra red variations are 3% of the entire production run, so they're randomly mixed in. So turn this package around, you might be holding an ultra red. I think it would say it. Let's see, ultra red. It's beautiful though. Anyway, I'm glad I could finally hold it in my hand because I was waiting a while to open it and I wanted to share it with you. Please subscribe for a lot more car fun and other kind of fun here. It's fun. See you later. Please subscribe.